shit like Bob Saget. Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julian Styles, this ain't no last dance. Way past it. Wait. Fucking on my ex cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it.
Good morning, it's another beautiful day and I woke up at 4 a.m. without snoozing off my alarm. You have to wake up before everyone else, right? And this is me doing my morning ritual. I'm doing morning movements. That means you gotta move your body with simple moves, with whatever the kind of moves that you know, which is good for your mind, your joints, and overall your muscles. My morning rituals are very much intentional. As I move my body, I feel deep gratitude for being this privileged to be able to move my body this morning, to feel alive, to breathe the fresh air, and just living the moment. And the next thing that I love to do is to burn incense and pray, because this creates the whole mood for my day. It cleanses my aura and the energy of the house is so much positive. This is me writing down my journal for the day. And as I write down my journal, I like to play Lavender on YouTube, and on my journal, I write down 3 points, 3 questions that I like to ask myself each day. It's 9 a.m. I have a lot of work for the day, and I'm still not done with the one that I started now. So I came to the gym and it was my lower body workout day. Here I am doing hip thrusts with 25 kgs each side. I'm new into getting more weight, so yeah, see me finish this set. Then I moved on to doing cable kickbacks. I'm more good at getting good angles than correcting my forms. I don't know, bro, if the form is right or wrong. I watch a lot of YouTube videos to improve my forms. Then after my good workout session, I am doing stretching. Girl, take her stretches seriously after that injury that I got from my run. So yeah, pulling all my muscles of hamstrings. Here I am adding dried bamboo shoot. You know, Arunachali food, Arunachali girl. Her dinner is ready. And watching the same BL drama. Look at my healthy breakfast. It tastes as good as it looks. And after my breakfast, I head on to a cafe with my friend. And this is the art cafe that I visited for the very first time. We enjoyed our coffee and tiramisu, and it was straight 10. Getting some pics, and here they are. And on our way home, we met this fluff. He was so cute. He was only 8 months old and we got to hold him. And he was the nicest cat. The nicest and the softest. It's time for my eating run. And I'm running on an injury. But I gotta do what I want to do. Got some eggs, got some veggies, but today we are not doing grocery haul because we are doing some Amazon haul. I have to do some unboxing. I got a few important stuff that I want to show you guys. So first thing first, girl finally got her waist belt. Girl was lifting without belt, but now I will be lifting with belt. I was excited for this one the most. And another thing is I got new yoga mat. Fit girl haul. You know, I will only show fit stuff because that's the only thing that I buy. And the next thing I got is this from Tego. This is my water flask. Whenever I'm running, I'm always thirsty, but the shops are really far, so it's hard for me to get water from the shops. So why not carry one with myself? Let me demonstrate it. So this is my running vest. You put it on like this, and you can put all the stuff, your cell phone, your keys and everything. And from now on, I will carry around my Tego water flask. I won't have to worry about hydration. See? And the last thing that I got is this handy dandy tool, gua sha. I've never used gua sha. I'm new into using it. I don't want to sculpt my jawline or anything because my face is already, you know what I mean. Just to massage over my neck. Feels good. I'm new into using it. I have to look up on the internet of how to use this properly. So yeah. So that was it for my Amazon haul. Now I have to shower, cook dinner, and do rest of the stuff.
เอาอะไรไปเจ๊เนี่ยเมื่อกี้ตอนที่พวกพี่มานะมันยังมีแบงค์อยู่
So I'm calling it quits for today. I hope you all enjoyed my video as much as I enjoyed making it. Now I have to get back to my journaling. I'll write down things that I'm grateful for. I'll plan my day ahead for tomorrow, and I'll write down one goal that I achieved today. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Awesome.